Okay, so today is a special day. It's called the 4th of July, as you Americans know it by. And right now it's like 8:30, and god damn, it is so bright for 8:30. Holy crap, look at that bird. You can see that bird, man. It's 8:30 and it's so bright out. Like, holy hell. Anyways, that's what I'm not here for, to complain about or brag or complain or praise how good or how bad it might be to have the time be so, light out at such a time like this. But besides that, today is the 4th of July. As most of you know it is the day where we honor our independence for America. But you know what I love about 4th of July that, most people see in other countries? Only one I know of is Cinco de Mayo. That's one of them. The Mexicans, they celebrate their freedom, it really isn't Independence Day for Mexico. It's more or less I don't know, I forgot. Whatever. To keep it simple, it's Independence Day. It's Independence Day for Mexico. Let's just keep it simple. So, anyway. So Mexican Independence Day, they honor their country and stuff, man. In Chinese New Year, it's a beautiful festival that lasts for, I don't know how long. I don't know anything about Chinese New Year. But regardless, it's a beautiful festival, right? And it lasts for a long time, I think. And it's full of prosperity, respect, and all that good stuff. But in America, oh, no. In America, you know how we honor our country? Well, we eat hamburgers and hot dogs, drink beer, and watch sports. That's pretty much how we respect our country. The only thing that could be like somewhat respectful is, come on, do it, come on, motherfucker. Whatever is the fireworks that we launched in the air. Because if you don't know the national anthem, the bombs bursting in the air, that was like something. Because over the night, I don't know. I'm not here to teach history, ladies and gentlemen. But that's the only thing that's somewhat respectful, I guess. But I just like walking outside during New Year's and oh guys, look at the moon. Oh, it's Moon Man. He's out tonight. Guys, it's Moon Man. Look. Oh shit, guys, Moon Man's out tonight. It's a beautiful moon tonight, guys. But I like going out during 4th of July and what's that one holiday called? New Year's. I like going out on New Year's Eve and 4th of July because I like to pretend I'm in a war zone. Yeah, I like to pretend I'm in a war zone, man. In the middle of a war zone, I hear gunshots and explosions left and right of me. And I'm playing sniper, and then I go, and it goes, whoosh. I like to pretend I'm in a war zone. Boom, bitch! That was a 50 cal right there, motherfucker. That was a 50 cal sniper, if you ask me. Perhaps, nah, it couldn't have been that wouldn't have been. That was a shotgun right there. Because some shotguns have crackles. Oh, there goes the birdies. They're scared. Oh shit, there's people at the end of the street, guys. Oh, spooky. Because some shotguns have crackle at the end of them. But yeah, I like to pretend I'm in a war zone, which is pretty neato. Gunshots and explosions everywhere. Yeah. Do you hear it? That's the sound of pistols, shotguns, snipers, and machine guns and rifles going off right now. It's like World War II. And I'm just chilling here, just walking around in the middle of this giant war zone. There goes oh damn. Someone's popping caps. Someone's busting some caps. Oh, they busting. Oh shit, they busting. Here's the hill that I like to take refuge behind in these war zone moments. Like right there, see these trees up here? See these trees up here, guys? These 3 trees. Oh shit, there's a spider web. You guys could have warned me. Anyway, see these 3 trees right here, guys? Wow, they got dark. Now that was a fucking, now that was a fucking 50 cal sniper. But these 3 trees right here, ah, damn it, walked a spider web. Oh shit! Hold on, can I turn on flash? I can't. Oh well. But believe me, guys, there's 3 trees right here. Oh, here you go. See, there's 3 trees right here, and down there's a bit of a ditch, and I like to hide down there in this warzone area. But did you hear that big boom over there? Now that was a 50 cal sniper, let me tell you. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave you. I'm just gonna walk around and chill out, and I'm gonna leave you guys sitting here with the sound of a war zone. So, have a safe 4th of July, or whatever. Damn, those are some weird sounding fucking dogs, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Hey guys, should I go down that way or should I go down that way? That way there's more fireworks. Let's go down this way. People be like, oh, look at that kid getting a free show. Look at him. Oh shit, someone coming, guys. Guys, someone coming. Gotta run. Oh guys, I'm running through the 6. Oh, we got rifles going off. We got pistols. Oh, we got pistols going off. Oh, we got rifles. We got shotguns. We got machine guns. Boom, boom, another pistol. Oh, we got snipers. Oh my God, 50 cal sniper. That was awesome. Holy crap. Now that was a 50 cal. Oh my God. Holy shit balls! Cool guys, don't look at explosions, motherfucker. Cool guys, don't look at explosions. Holy fuck, that is loud, bitch. Dude, that is a 50 cal sniper. Reminds me of my sniper rifle. I shoot it, go boom, and then whoosh, whoosh. But there'd be an echo and it'd be like whoosh, and shit like that. I like that one. That's my favorite. That one's my favorite. Okay. I hear more gunfire. Alright, boys, I hear more gunfire that way. So we're going that way. Oh, shit! Motherfucker, 50 cal. That's my favorite one. Because it's so loud. It's my favorite one because it's so loud. Let's keep going, guys. Hear the sound of the warzone, man. Cool guys don't look at explosions. I'm a cool guy. Look at that street light, guys. Look at this. Ooh, that's picture perfect right there. I'm taking a picture of that shit. Bam. New Instagram photo. Go follow me. Link will be right here somewhere. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not one of those people. I kid. Alright, guys. The hell? Okay. I don't know if those are duds or not. Anyways, carrying on. I'm so glad I can share this moment with you guys. I'm actually really glad I could share this moment with you guys. I love you guys. Don't you know that? I love you guys. I really do. It's just I don't upload because I have no video ideas, and mainly because nobody watches this channel except for me. Fuck, there's people over here. Gotta go stealth. And see, this is... You done? And see, this is why I love America. Because you can get away with this kind of shit. No matter what time of year it is, you can get away with setting off a firework. Because it's America. Like, what's there not to love? And this is why I love America. Hey, little fun fact about New Year's Eve and 4th of July. You can basically murder anybody and no one will know. Oh shit. Stealth. Anyways, as I was saying, now, on 4th of July and on New Year's, you can murder somebody with a gun, like an actual gun, and nobody will know. Because people will think that you're setting off fireworks, but you're actually shooting a gun. I don't know if that's true. I just kind of came up with it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Machine gun fire at the distance. Someone has an SMG, guys. Stealth. Yeah, machine gun fire behind me. Someone has an SMG back there, and they're going hog wild. Look at the moon. Isn't it beautiful? Sailor Moon. What? You didn't hear nothing. Dude, look at the fucking pavement. Dude, looks like someone got fucking murdered over here. It's all wet and shit. Perhaps someone... Oh, stealth. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video off here. Actually no, we're going to get to the park. Then I'll end the video off. And then I'll go live on Instagram. Yeah, man. And no one's going to join my live either, except for like maybe one person or two people. And they're going to leave, which is fine. I don't care. Hello? Whoop your ass, bitch. I know gang signs. I know this and this and... I only know like 2 or 3 gang signs. Anyway. Is that a dog? Is that a dog over there? Well, you guys can't see. No, I think it's a tree. Yeah. Is that a dog? No, it's a tree. That's one tall fucking dog, then. If it is a dog, that's one tall fucker right there. It's a goddamn fucking vampire dog. Oh, chupacabra, man. Look at the moon. Isn't it beautiful? That's beautiful. Sailor Moon. What? Or Sailor Mercury, or Sailor Mars, or Sailor Venus, or Sailor Jupiter. You guys hear something? Who the fuck's saying the names of the Sailor Guardians? Not me. Totally not me. It must be one of my fucking brothers playing a prank on me. Boom. Ooh, 50 cal sniper right there. Far away. Oh shit, guys. We're in the heart of the war zone. We're in the heart of Reich. We're in the heart of Reich. Heart of Berlin, guys. Here's where it's taking place. No. Christian. We're in the heart of Aachen. We're in the heart of Aachen, Christian. Like in collateral damage. Oh, shit. Okay. Look at the sky. It's like purple and blue. It looks so beautiful. You guys gotta admire this kind of shit, you know? Before the planet goes to shit. I mean, the planet already has gone to shit, but, you know, before it gets any worse, you guys gotta admire the scenery around sometimes, you know? And admire those explosions, because goddamn, they sound so nice. You can tell I'm like gonna be that guy in the future who's gonna own like fucking 100 guns. Damn, fucking 50 cal, let me tell you. When your legs don't work like they used to before. My legs don't work like they used to before. They get tired very easily. Ooh, guys, look at that orange parking light. Ooh, spooky time. Real nigga hours. Oh, I can say the N-word. Real nigga hours. Hey, I got permission from 2 black people, so yeah, they grant me the N-word pass. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the video off here. Have a 4th of July, Happy New Year, whatever the hell. I'm gonna go live on Instagram. See you guys later. And by later, I mean like, oh shit, machine gun fire in the distance. Oh fuck, dude. Have a happy 4th of July, guys. Happy New Year, bitch.